Vlogmas day 14, December 14th, Monday. It's a beautiful day down here in Texas. It's about 3 o'clock and all of a sudden I realized, hey, I haven't shot anything yet for Vlogmas today. But I'm gonna take the Getaway van and go get a car wash. Take you on a little tour of that. Let's go. All right, we're here at the famous carbath. Gonna get a works. The works is where they do your tires, they do your insides. Running out of daylight, there's a lot of traffic, and I'm using the built-in Sony camera microphone with a little wind muff on top. Hope this sounds okay. This is my 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. It's awesome. I've been a van fan forever. A long time ago we rented one. They were out of whatever we wanted, so they gave us a minivan. But I've been a huge fan since then. Down here in Texas, everybody thinks you need a truck. If you have a truck and you put stuff in the back, you have to take it out at night. In this van, I can put stuff in the van and leave it there forever. These seats all fold down into the floor, and I can get a full sheet of plywood or sheetrock down there, 4x8. Automatic doors, full leather. Heated driver's side and passenger side leather seats, satellite radio, navigation that I never use, I like Waze. It's got this pretty cool strip of mood lighting up at the top. It's kind of neat. The really slick part is that it's got this is really slick. It's got a built-in power inverter. Anything you can plug into a wall, you can plug into this van. Yeah, that's my 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. I love this thing. And I really love it when it's clean. These wheels look sharp. It's like a hot rod. It's not a Hemi, but I feel like it is. Happy Vlogmas, y'all. Golly, this traffic is loud. Never even noticed it before. All right, turn it off.